Did you know nocturnal tornadoes can form under moonless skies when cooling air and shifting winds create a sudden rotating column? These night storms share the same physics as daytime ones, but reduced visibility makes warnings harder unless radar helps. Scientists note that nocturnal updrafts can linger, extending the danger into early morning commutes for unsuspecting residents. The takeaway is simple: stay updated with alerts, seek sturdy shelter, and avoid travel when storms approach at night. Want more on how rare night phenomena form and how to stay safe? Follow for the next eye-opening explainer.